interrupted with the Libcrypto.dll DLL blocking your security or network software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we walk through the Libcrypto.dll troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This DLL file is a core OpenSSL library, providing a wide range of cryptographic functions. It includes implementations of symmetrical and asymmetrical encryption, hashing, and digital signature algorithms. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. A damaged or incomplete installation of your security or network software can cause this error. Reinstall the latest official version of your security or network software to restore required files such as the Libcrypto.dll DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Libcrypto.dll file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for the Libcrypto.dll DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to the Libcrypto.dll. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the Libcrypto.dll error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.